Good morning, Mike and Alicia. This winter season, unlike the last two, compared to this year, there were long lines of COVID patients here outside Express Med Urgent Care in Southfield. The state reporting thousands of new COVID cases a day. Fast forward to now, and the virus is far less a part of our everyday lives compared to the beginning of the pandemic. But as you mentioned, just this week, the state hitting a grim milestone on the COVID front. So far, 40,000 Michiganders' lives lost to the virus.
It makes me really sad because 40,000 is a huge number.
It's a grim reminder for Natasha Ristovski, whose father was one of those 40,000. Wednesday marking 2 years since his death.
It all happened so very fast, and not just to my family, to all the other families, because I know how much it hurts losing someone so close to you.
COVID hasn't gone away, but it's certainly less of a burden for area health systems, says Dr. Ron Catu of Express Med Urgent Care. He's also noticed that his patients are generally getting less sick from the virus.
Definitely in terms of last year, the numbers are way down, at least in the urgent care setting.
Last year during this time, Dr. Catu said there would be 25 people in his lobby in Southfield. Wednesday, there were just 4. But unlike last year, RSV is rearing its head around the country, and the U.S. is facing a flu season worse than we've seen in nearly a decade. A growing number of states, now 33, are battling high or very high respiratory virus activity, according to the CDC. Michigan looking good in comparison on this CDC flu map from the week ending on November 19th, prior to close family gatherings and Thanksgiving celebrations. Dr. Catu hoping we stay in the green.
I think these next 30 days will be a big determinant as to how the rest of the season goes.
So we're going to need to be watching those numbers in the next few days to see what impact those holiday celebrations had. But the week ending in November 19th, 10% of deaths in the United States, nearly 10% attributed to either the flu, COVID, or pneumonia. That surpasses the seasonal baseline of just 6%. Doctors say the best thing to do to keep you and your family safe right now, staying up to date on all of your vaccinations. That includes COVID and the flu. Reporting live this morning in Southfield, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.
Yeah, I find myself washing my hands more diligently too and kind of staying farther away from people.
Tis the season.
I know. Thank you very much, Jen.